How's your real estate doing? I'm Connor with Honor. We're going to talk about Santa Clarita real estate, what's happening today. Today's going to be the 11th of September. A moment of solitude, please, for those that gave their lives on September 11th. Just a horrific time. I do know that a lot of the local schools are having first responders go, and that's actually fantastic. I myself was with the LAPD for a long time, honorably retired, so I understand that. There was a lot of people that definitely need to be honored that gave and put their life above everyone else, put themselves into jeopardy so other people could live. And we see that as a trademark of the American. And it's very, very nice to see. So please let that resonate with you. Give a moment and let's very much celebrate the freedom that we have because of the sacrifice that people have made. Santa Clarita Valley, 521 total active residential properties across the Santa Clarita Valley for sale currently. That is going to include the single-family homes, condominiums, and townhomes. Breaking that down into market action within the past 7 days, I do a daily recap, but every 7 days is really where the information is gleaned from. In some cases, I can see some pretty solid trend changes within that time period, but most times, like right now, we're currently in a bit of a market shift where we're watching as we have a lot of price reductions taking place. The price changes, but most of those are price reductions. That being the case, there's some concern with sellers that they may be overzealous with the original price. In addition, we're watching a market slowdown, so that's also causing the sellers to maybe, in some cases, overreact and start to reduce their price. However, I say overreact with not knowing their specific circumstance and why they are selling. There are some sellers out there that really have to sell. They can't wait for that best offer, and time is definitely of the essence. For a real estate buyer, that's really who you would like to deal with, if at all possible, because they have a very big motivation to sell. At the end of the day, though, in a very solid and tight market with little inventory like we're seeing currently, those sellers usually don't have to wait long. If they're priced advantageously for those buyers out there, they will get multiple offers in short order even now. But because of these changes, we'll know in the next 2 or 3 weeks if the market's actually going to experience that slowdown. We do have school back in session. That's a big factor. In addition, the Fed's going to be meeting on the 17th and 18th of September 2024 to go over what's happening with the Fed funds rate. And typically, if that rate's going to change and come down or even go up, whichever way, rumor is it's going to come down. When it does, it usually affects the mortgage rate. That does definitely help out buyers and sellers. I'm Connor with Honor. SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com is me. Be well. Over and out.